What is up, guys, and welcome back to the DocMack car channel. Today what I'd like to share with you is how to fix the check engine light, the vehicle stability control and traction control warning lights come up asking you to check the stability control system. Now this can be a common issue in the Toyotas, and not many people know exactly what causes the issue. However, today I may have a solution for you as to what the issue might be. So if you look at the two lights on the right hand side, so there's this light and that light, the first and the third light. So this is your engine check light. So if I turn it off, turn it back on, so it's the first and the third light which would stay on even after you start the engine. That is relating to the engine check light as well as the check stability control / traction control light. So if you have landed on this video, you probably have this issue. I'm unable to replicate the issue, but I know that this is a possible solution to your issue. And this applies to Toyota vehicles. Now, this did happen to my vehicle when I first got it. And what I believe the issue to be is with the fuel cap. Now, before I get into that, please consider subscribing to my videos. It's completely free to subscribe and does not cost you a cent. To subscribe to my video, please turn your phone into the portrait mode and you should have a subscribe button down the middle. So click on that and subscribe. Alright, so what I believe the issue to be is with the fuel cap. Alright guys, I'm now at the rear of the vehicle. So now what I believe this issue to be is that the fuel cap is not fully tightened and it does not actually bond the seal when you actually twist the fuel cap. So this can cause false readings on your dash cluster, such as the check engine light, check stability control light and the TRAC OFF light. It is quite windy here and I'm trying my best to make this a video for you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew the cap and you may hear some pressure. Yep, and usually if that pressure is not there, that means it's not actually secured and fully tightened. Now, if you look at this here, you'll see there's a rubber bit right here. Sometimes the O-ring, this is what you call an O-ring. This little bit right here, that O-ring can actually get dirty, and therefore this O-ring and this fuel filler neck rubber piece right here, it can get cruddy over time, and what it can do is it can either have a lot of gunk or either it can have minor cracks on it. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to clean this bit of your fuel filler cap as well as the fuel filler neck area. And then what you need to do is you'll need to just screw it back in like so, and then you'll need to hear the clicks. Okay, so on vehicles such as this Toyota, and this specific solution only works for a Toyota vehicle, it'll say how many clicks you need to do. So like this is 1 click. So especially with vehicles in the United States, it will tell you how many clicks you need to do, and it will also say that if you do not go with a number of clicks, then the engine check light may come on. So that is just as simple as this, and your issue should be actually sorted. What you need to do now is you need to get back into the vehicle, turn the key on, turn the key off, and then start the engine, and you should see both of those warning lights go off. So I'm going to shut this one now and we're going to go back into the vehicle. Alright guys, I hope that has been a useful and informative video. So what you need to do is you just need to turn on the key, turn it off, turn it back on and start, and these two lights should actually go off, and there you go, it's gone off. Now this issue is not present on my vehicle at the moment. I'm just trying to show you what those lights would look like. So when I first purchased this vehicle, I did have this issue, and I was wondering what on earth could be the issue. Then one day when I went to the gas station, I noticed that the gas cap was a little dirty and it was a little cruddy as well. So what I did was I wiped it with a damp tissue, like one of those wet wipes which are non-flammable, and I cleaned around that O-ring which I had actually discussed just now. as well as the fuel filler neck, and then I twisted the cap back and clicked it on. And then when I got back into the car, I turned on the engine and the lights had gone off. So this is what I believe is to be the issue, and I hope this has been useful and informative. Please remember to subscribe to my videos. That will be really appreciated. I have helped over 100,000 people, and a lot of people are grateful for that. I would be actually grateful if you subscribe to my video. Thanks. Cheers. Bye.